Hi students, we already finished the classification of monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. Then let us see the methods of preparation of alkyl halides as well as their chemical properties. I remind one thing, dear student, we already learned this part in 11th standard, the types of organic reactions. And the types of organic reactions are very important throughout the chemistry, and most of the things based on these types of organic reactions. Therefore, before going to the actual discussion of these methods of preparation of alkyl halides and their chemical reactions, let us first finish the important types of organic reactions. Types of organic reactions, these are mainly classified into four types. Number one, substitution reaction. Number two, addition reaction. Number third, elimination reaction. Number four, rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction we have to see later on. Let us see what is the meaning of first one, substitution reaction. And we already know that the hybridization concept, carbon-carbon single bond sp3, carbon-carbon double bond sp2, carbon-carbon triple bond sp hybridized. We already seen this part. Let us see substitution. Then substituted. We hear this word substituted in a cricket. I give the example to you. Suppose our most famous and most accurate batsman Rohit Sharma is injured. Then what happens? Instead of Rohit Sharma is replaced by Rishabh Pant. In short, Indian player is replaced by Indian. If Rohit Sharma is injured, Ross Taylor will not come on the field. Is it not? And that's why electrophile is replaced by electrophile, nucleophile is replaced by nucleophile, free radical is replaced by free radical. Substitution. What is the meaning of this substitution reaction? Substitution reaction means a reaction, this is the reaction, in which an atom or maybe group of atoms belonging to substrate, and you know what is the meaning of a substrate? Main starting material is called as the substrate. What is the meaning of the term substrate? Main starting material in the chemical reaction is called as the substrate. Here atom or group of atoms belonging to substrate is replaced by another atom or group of atoms from the reagent. This part is called as the reagent. Such type of a reaction is called as the substitution reaction. A reaction in which an atom or group of atoms belonging to substrate is replaced by another atom or group of atoms. There are a total three types of a substitution reaction. First one, electrophilic substitution reaction. In this, one electrophile, electron deficient species, is replaced by another electrophile, that is another electron deficient species. This is a benzene. Hybridization of this carbon atom sp2. This is a nitration of benzene. Nitration is carried out using nitrating mixture, and we know that nitrating mixture is a mixture of a concentrated nitric acid and a concentrated sulfuric acid. So benzene on a nitration gives a nitrobenzene. Here, let us see what happens here. H plus electrophile is replaced by NO2 plus ion, nitronium ion, and that's why this is electrophilic substitution reaction. Here hybridization of this carbon atom sp2, here again sp2. Then which is the important point in substitution reaction? Remember, in any substitution reaction, there is never change in the hybridization of carbon atom where a substitution takes place, where a replacement takes place. Remember, no change at all. Then let us see a second nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this, one nucleophile, electron rich species, is replaced by another nucleophile, that is another electron rich species. Here ethyl bromide is here, alkaline hydrolysis, substrate, reagent, nucleophilic reagent. Here Br minus is replaced by OH minus ion. That is Br minus nucleophile is replaced by OH minus ion nucleophile. See here, what is the hybridization of carbon atom here? sp3. Here replacement takes place, substitution takes place. We get this carbon here. Hybridization is again sp3. Now I told earlier, there is a never change in hybridization of carbon, where replacement takes place. Third one is a free radical substitution reaction. We know that substitution means never change in the hybridization of carbon atom, where a substitution takes place. And free radical substitution reactions, there are three possibilities. These are substitution, free radical substitution reactions are carried out photochemically, that is in presence of a light, or thermal reaction at high temperature, or in presence of peroxide. These are the three conditions by which free radical reactions are carried out. And substitution, we know that no change in hybridization of carbon, where replacement takes place. Here photochlorination of a methane, he gives here methyl chloride. Hybridization of this carbon atom sp3, again hybridization of carbon atom sp3, and here hydrogen free radical is replaced by chlorine free radical. These are the three types of substitution reactions. Shortly, electrophilic substitution reaction, number 2 nucleophilic substitution reaction, number 3 free radical substitution reaction. Dear students, let us see here electrophilic substitution reactions generally shown by aromatic compounds. Which compounds? Generally aromatic compounds. These are the characteristics of aromatic compounds. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction generally shown by aliphatic, open chain, acyclic, that is the aliphatic saturated compounds. Aliphatic saturated compounds generally show nucleophilic substitution. And what is the meaning of a free radical substitution? There must be substitution that takes place thermally or photochemically or in presence of peroxide.